Hello and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we're going to look at something which confuses some Freesat users, a little feature called Auto Standby on your Freesat 4K box. What is it, why does it keep turning your box off, and how can you change the settings? So Auto Standby is basically an energy saving feature built into your Freesat 4K box. If you haven't pressed any buttons on your Freesat remote control or changed channels for a few hours, the box assumes you've stopped watching and it automatically goes into standby mode to save power. This can be annoying if you use the box for background noise or to listen to the Freesat radio stations, as your box seems to shut down. A minute before the auto standby is activated, you will see a message pop up on the screen that says, "Are you still there? In order to save power, your Freesat box will automatically switch to standby mode unless you select cancel below." So, to cancel the auto standby, simply press the OK button on your remote control. You are able to increase the length of time before auto standby kicks in, or you can turn off the feature completely. To do this, you press the home button on your Freesat remote control, scroll over to settings, that's the gear icon on the right hand side of the screen, head into system settings, select auto power down and select set auto power down options. Here you can adjust the time before your box goes into standby, or you can turn off the feature completely. Once you've made the choice, go to save and close and press OK. If you have a recordable Freesat box, don't worry, any scheduled recordings will still happen even if the box is in standby mode. And that's it. Now you know exactly what Auto Standby does and how to take control of it. I hope this video has been of use to you. If you've got any questions, drop them down in the comments section below. And remember to hit that like, subscribe and notification bell to keep up to date with any future video releases. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!